So what you can also do in DeepSeek is you can go ahead and get financial plans as you like. So to do that, inside of DeepSeek right here, I'm going to give it this prompt. Let's say, for example, I can say I have a monthly salary of $2,500. My regular expense is let's say, for example, $1,500 right here. So prepare a financial plan for me on how much I should invest in stocks and how much I should keep in fixed deposit for a stable future right here, just like this. Also suggest me how much to keep in government bonds and mutual funds as well. So let's say, for example, I became very specific with how much my income is, how much my expenditure is, and so I actually told to prepare a financial plan for me accordingly. So you can see that it is analyzing the data that I gave to it, and then what happens is that it'll simply go ahead and generate out a financial plan for me. So it says creating a financial plan involves balancing risk, liquidity and returns to ensure a stable future, and based on your monthly salary of 2,500, 1,500, you have surplus 1,000 each month, and here's a suggested allocation for saving and investment. So here you can see that it says emergency funds should be there, and the monthly contribution to it should be 500 a month. Then rest you can see it says keep it in low risk, stable refund returns, that is fixed deposits, and suggested allocation is 20 to 30% with surplus to 300 per month. So government bonds, it is suggesting me 1 to 200 per month, and moderate to high risk, you can see that it says mutual funds right here. So this is what it is suggesting, as you can see. And stocks, you can see it has high returns, high risk, and this is what you have. So insurance and retirement plans as well. So you can see that this is what it is actually suggesting me to do. So you can see that it says sample monthly allocation can be 50% in emergency funds initially, then fixed deposits can be 20%, which is 200, government bonds is 15%, 150, mutual fund 350, then stocks is 150, insurance retirement 50. So you can see that there are some key tips. So it says keep a diversity, review regularly, and start small, it says, as you can see right here, and it says avoid debt and increase saving. And this is how you can also go around and get financial plans as necessary using DeepSeek as well. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.